Good morning, folks. Prep Rebel here. So this is day 9 of my turning the pastrami brisket and then getting it back in the brine so that it carries on marinating. All right, so I've taken it out of the fridge. I'll just bend it a little down here. Okay, I think you can see that. Move that over here. Okay, so day 9 of a 22-day turn and marinade. So I've got it covered. I'm just going to take the plastic off here, and that'll get replaced with a new piece. All right, glove up. Okay, now, so this is part of the ongoing preparation for my pastrami, so that I'm getting it ready for when the time comes to smoke it. There's a few more other steps that go on, and I'll get to those when that happens, but this is what I've been doing or has been getting done since we first put it in the fridge. So every day it gets turned, and you can see the color of the marinade. It's a lot darker than it was when it went in, right? And you can take a look at the color of the meat. It's a lot lighter than it was. So you take the plates off, you just flip it over, get it back in the marinade, and you see it doesn't float up like it used to do, but I'm still going to keep the plates on it to hold it down in place, because I don't want it to pop up and then not get marinated. See, it's starting to pop up here on the edge. All right. Once that's done, we're going to recover it with plastic. And we'll need some napkins. Okay, so like I said, we're going to cover it back up with plastic, just to seal it up. And once this is done, it'll go back into the fridge, and we'll do the same thing again tomorrow. And like I said, this is day 9. So we've got another 12 days, 14 days of doing this, and I've got it all marked on my fridge here. So get the plastic on, get your paper towels out, clean your lid off, or if you're using a lid, all right, that out of there, put that back in the marinade. That's a juniper berry. And this is just a matter of trying to keep everything neat and tidy and clean, so that you don't have to go over everything and re-clean. And then you place the lid back on, or I do. How you guys do yours is totally up to you, but this is what works for me. All right. So now that I've got that in there, and remember, this is quite heavy because it's got a lot of water in it, right? A lot of liquid. And then it just goes back in the fridge for another 24 hours. Just like so. And there you go. That's how you turn your pastrami. Like I said, so I've got it, this is day 9, and I'll mark that off on the calendar here, or on my whiteboard, that's done. It's just so I can keep track of things. And that's the whiteboard right there with all the green on it. All right, so that's it. Basically, I'd like to give a shout out to one of my subscribers. Thank you very much for the apron. It's kind of fun. And what it says is, it's the Swedish chef. It says "Vert de Furk." So that's it for today. Have a great one. We'll talk to you soon. Prep Rebel out.